when they're traveling, we call them a journey.
Journey?
Of giraffes, yes.
Nice. I remember seeing documentary when one was born. His long legs. Immediately, and they stand up immediately, right?
After maybe 40 minutes, an hour. And yes, they're born 2 meters high already. Maybe about 50 or 60 kilos. And they're born.
Amazing.
Maybe we should take a giraffe that just woke up.
What is this? What did she pick up?
Nie, gdzie?
She picked up something big.
Która? Te dwa z tyłu?
The last two.
Yeah.
Ta się dzieliła czymś?
Maybe some like leaves? Oh, they're eating the grass.
No, they're actually trying to pick that up. It looks almost like maybe it was a stillborn baby giraffe. It was born dead, and they've been trying to maybe pick it up, see if it can move or nah, but that's dead.
Where? I don't see him.
You see the one that...
Floor.
Yeah, it's on the floor.
Gdzie? I need to
Okay, there's this one big giraffe trying to bend down. Maybe it might pick it up again.